Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel for another fake live training. The training is real and it's live right now, but it's not live when you're seeing it. That's why I'm calling it a fake. I don't know why I keep introing this segment like that.
I like it.
This is a special one, back again with us, or maybe the first time you're seeing, because we just recorded another one and there was a crazy echo, so you may never see that episode. But if you didn't see that episode, this is your first time seeing Dave on my channel in this capacity. The author of authentic, Perush, you're gonna edit the crap out of this. The author of authentic commercial voiceover and the superstar commercial coach in my community, Mr. Dave Beeson.
Oh man, and Mandy's got the book too. Yeah, something like that. Who knows what the book is called? Doing well. Oh, I'm just happy to be here. Jesse, how you doing, man?
I'm great and embarrassed, and yeah, usually I don't screw up at all, but for some reason, when the stakes are high, I just couldn't get the words out of my mouth. I do this professionally too. I talk. People pay me money to fuck up just like that. Today, aside from Dave, we have a superstar from my community, Mr. Mandy, Mrs. Man. See, I'm messing this up.
I love everything about this.
Miss or Mrs.?
It's Ms. Just Mandy. It's just
Ms. We have Mandy Biggs Blagden.
Thank you.
Did I even say that right?
It's a mouthful. It's a tongue twister.
My God, Mandy, how are you? This is your second time on this channel. How you been?
Yeah, I'm great. I'm great. This is my first time on the channel, actually.
Is it really? I thought we did this before.
No, we've never done one of these. I know.
Oh, you guys are in for a treat. Mandy.
Yes.
When we first met, you've been doing a bit of voiceover, and you were kind of like, is it safe to say you were in a season of voiceover where you were kind of like fed up? You seemed like, oh man, like I'm trying this stuff, like it's not really working for me right now.
I was floundering.
Why don't you tell us about your journey and how you're floundering and how you're not so floundering anymore?
I'll do the Reader's Digest version. So I started voiceover originally 30 plus years ago before I got married. And my first demo tape was on a cassette, if anybody remembers what they are. I mean, many, many years ago. And then I had 4 kids, and then life, and then life, and then more life. And then the marriage went away and all the kids moved out, and I was faced with me and like, what am I going to do? I looked around and I thought, this is what I really want to do, because I've always wanted to be a voiceover artist. So I took courses and I recorded demos way too early, like lots of people do, but they were pretty good. Anyway, so
but they were good. I did what I was told not to do, but it actually worked out for me.
Well, nobody told me because I didn't have the right people telling me what I needed to do, and you don't know what you don't know, right? So just got on the sites, both of them at the same time, VDC and Voices 1, 2, 3 at the same time, and just kind of plugged away. I found out that once I met you, I joined a few other groups, and it was just like I would get training, but it wasn't of any depth at all. And I didn't really learn anything. But I put out a lot of money for it, and it was just nothing. And then I ran into you on YouTube one day, and I was like, this guy's kind of cool. He kind of knows what he's talking about, and he's really giving information that's really useful. So I got in the free community, and I was there for a while, and I'm like, oh, come on, I just got to do this. I mean, people are like, oh, it's so easy to be a voice actor, blah, 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 blah. You've got a great voice. Well, thanks, but that doesn't really mean anything. I mean, that's like 2% of it, if that's even important. So fast forward. So I joined the full-on community, I guess in March, April. And since then, I've had my sound adjusted. I've done so much training and coaching, and I've been booking now every month. I mean, it took me 483 auditions to book my first job on voices.com. Wow.
Good for you for keeping going. A lot of people will stop before that point.
Oh, I'm stubborn.
It took me a little less, but it seemed like, once you get past like the 200 audition mark and nothing's happened yet, it makes you start to question whether you should do it or not, but you just powered through, and look at you now.
Well, I mean, I know in my heart that I'm pretty good at this. Like, I just know that. Not that I'm better than anybody else, but I just know that I can do this. And I was like, damn it, I'm going to figure it out. So
awesome. Cool. Well, let's show everybody what you can do.
Yes. And old people can do this, by the way. So older people.
What? I want to touch on that for a second, because that's one thing I hear quite a bit from, the senior community people, that they'll either send me an email, they want to jump on a one-on-one and see if like they can actually do this kind of thing. And between you and Jim Merkel, who's like, Jim's older than you are, And he books 1 in 12 auditions on voices.com and takes a lot of jobs that I audition for from me. And I'm like, quite a bit younger than he is. It's not age. Like this is I think this is an industry that transcends age. And you just get better and better at it as you go along. As long as you are alive and able to speak, you can do this.
Absolutely. And that's what I wanted. I wanted a job I can do anywhere and from my house. And I plan to move to Ireland next year, and I can do this from there. It doesn't matter.
That is awesome. Oh man. My family comes from Ireland, and I haven't visited. Well, I went through their airport once, and it was great. They were like, "Welcome home, Mr. Carroll." They were like having fun with it. I have a Canadian passport. It's not an Irish passport, but they saw the last name, and they're like, like your lineage is from here.
Well, everybody's Irish, so.
But actually, I'm like second generation Canadian, traced right back to there. I'm not Boston Irish. I'm real Irish. That's so cool. Awesome. Yeah, I love that for you. And I think that voiceover is like the perfect industry to get into, where you could just pack up your shit and just like, if you want to go to Ireland, or what is it, Kim's in Portugal, next year we're going to go take off to Italy for a month, and I'm going to do it from there up and down Amalfi. So like it's a great industry for that. But let's get into some training for you right now. So you've been crushing it lately. You booked. We do these challenges in VoiceOver School, where our community admin Lucas Chitwood will post an audition that he comes across either on voices.com or Voice123, usually a unisex one. We always try to find a unisex one, and he posted it, and everybody gives like their audition on this particular project. And Mandy actually booked it. The Alabama Beaches one. I don't know if we're allowed to say that right now.
Oh, you are. Well, the recording session is Monday, so yeah.
Oh, it's on Monday?
Monday, yeah. Mm-hmm.
Oh, you haven't recorded it yet?
No, I booked it like 2 weeks ago, and I guess they were just waiting for the client to have the time. So we have a live directed session on Monday.
So we'll put this out after you record.
I say that like I do that all the time. I have a live directed session. Sounds really cool.
Awesome. Dope. Yeah, well, you booked that thing over like everybody else that auditioned for it, including me. So good job. You are one of actually a growing list of people in the community that are being. Yeah, it's you, Ethan. I don't know. It's just depressing.
Well, when you audition, Jesse, you auditioned so much. So, we're bound to beat you out on something at some point.
Honestly, my booking ratio isn't that great. I just outwork everybody. Anyway, let's jump into the training. Normally I do this, but I brought Dave in because, well, he's such a talented coach, and I love his system, and I think that all of you guys should get to know him. And if this hits home with you when you see him, I highly suggest you reach out to Dave on his socials, on his website, and get some private coaching with him. Get into one of his group sessions, or join VoiceOver School, where you get to see him every single week. So with that, I'm going to mute, and I'm going to toss it over to Dave.
All right, Mandy, great to see you again.
You too, Dave.
Really cool to hear your story. I love just learning more about people and hearing about your success. It shines light into my soul, and other metaphors that just mean it makes me happy. So
makes me happy too. Yeah.
Awesome. So we've got a Volkswagen spot here, and we've worked together before, so this is not your first rodeo. You know exactly what's about to happen. So I'm gonna have you do whatever your process looks like. I'm gonna make sure I'm rolling. Boom, I am. Okay. So go ahead and say some words for me really quick. I just want to make sure this is working.
At Volkswagen, we believe everyone deserves a better car.
Awesome. Okay. So I'm going to boost this a little bit. There we go. Okay. So just like before, do whatever you would normally do. If you want to do another tech read or data read, you're free to. Otherwise, you can lay down.
It's not
your
early in the morning, but it
you're
feels
ready.
like it. Okay.
Yeah.
I'll just do a data read first. At Volkswagen, we believe everyone deserves a better car. And now, during the Sign Then Drive sales event, you're closer to yours than ever, like the turbocharged Tiguan, the midsize Passat, or the 34 Highway MPG Jetta. And every new 2025 Volkswagen comes with no extra charge scheduled maintenance. All for practically just your signature. Then the Sign Then Drive sales event is back. And it's even better. It's even been easier to get a new Volkswagen. Get zero due at signing, zero down, zero deposit, and zero first month's payment on any new 2025 Volkswagen. Hurry, this offer ends October 31st. Okay, it's a lot of words. All right, you want me to read it through?
Yeah, you can go for your take one whenever you're ready.
Okay. At Volkswagen, we believe everyone deserves a better car. And now, during the Sign Then Drive sales event, you're closer to yours than ever. Like the turbocharged Tiguan, the midsize Passat, or the 34 Highway MPG Jetta. And every new 2025 Volkswagen comes with no charge scheduled maintenance, all for practically just your signature. The Sign Then Drive sales event is back, and it's never been easier to get a new Volkswagen. Get zero due at signing, 0 down, 0 deposit, and 0 first month's payment on any new 2025 Volkswagen. Hurry, this offer ends October 31st.
Okay, Mandy, how'd that feel?
Announcer-ish.
Yep. Anything else before?
Yeah, pretty fast.
Do what we do.
Too. Yeah, it's pretty fast.
Okay,
I'd
so
say.
Fast and announcery. Okay, so I want to do this, and then I want to do that, and there we go. Okay, so you know my process.
Yeah.
Question one: what is the script literally talking about? We're talking about the new 2025 Volkswagens, the Tiguan, the Passat, or the 34 Highway MPG Jetta. Does that mean anything to you? Do you drive a Volkswagen?
Never drove a Volkswagen. I drive a Subaru.
Okay. So you don't care about the specifics of this script. So we move on to question two. What's essentially going on? What is the line or phrase, combination of two lines that may or may not be really far apart from each other, that answered the question, why are we having this conversation? Why are you telling this story to the person you're saying it to?
Well, because the Sign Then Drive sales event is back, and it's never been easier to get a Volkswagen.
Okay. Why do you care about the Sign Then Drive sales event? And you can only answer using the words of the script. It might be a strong belief that you hold.
I'm closer I'm closer than ever. Everybody.
Why would
car.
you care whether or not someone else is closer to getting a Volkswagen than ever?
Because everyone deserves a better car.
There you go. And just to get more meat on the bones, not only does everyone deserve a better car, what's at the end of the day, what's so great about this Sign Then Drive sales event? I'll just tell you. So we'll get to the good stuff.
It's the money.
Sure, it costs less money. What that funnels down to is the fact that right now it's never been easier to get the car that you deserve. So we have those two lines. At Volkswagen, we believe everyone deserves a better car, and it's never been easier to get a new Volkswagen. You don't care about Volkswagens. You might not even care about cars. So what we're left with is we believe everyone deserves a better blank, or just deserves blank. And right now it's never been easier. You change that we to an I because you're talking from your perspective, right? So what is something that you believe everyone deserves blank? And this is not the story of a problem that needs to be solved. This problem's already been solved. So you can speak to it with friendliness. You're in a positive state of mind and 100% confidence. What is something that it could just be? It doesn't even need to be something that you believe that everyone deserves. It could be something that you believe that you deserve, or just something that you believe that right now it's never been easier. What is that for you in your real life?
Well, probably a reliable car. I mean, everybody deserves to have a reliable car.
Sure.
Yeah.
But have you found yourself having authentic conversations with friends about, you know what, friend, everyone deserves a reliable car?
Well, more like, I really love my Subaru, and it's reliable, and it's not pretty, but, gets me where I need to go, and I just really like it, and it's mine.
Okay. That's going to be perfect for the I really like blank script.
Yeah.
But that's not this. We're not talking about a like. We're talking about a strongly held belief. It's going to be deeper than that.
Okay. How about everybody deserves to have good insurance?
Let's shrink the circle a little bit to either I deserve the good insurance that I have, or my family deserves the good insurance that we have. Otherwise, it's a problem to be solved. So what is something that you have that you deserve and you're grateful for, and like, this is I deserve this. I've worked hard for this.
Right. So seniors can relate to this. I just went on Medicare, and I worked for it my whole life, and now I have it. Yeah. So Yeah,
And is it
that's
everything you hoped it would be? A story have a happy ending?
yeah, I would say pretty much. Yeah. Yeah, it gives
What
you a good sense because you can rely on it.
how have you relied on it so far?
Well, just going to get tests done and whatnot and going to the doctor and them actually paying for it. And my part that I need to pay for is pretty small. So,
Yeah.
that's
How does that feel to be able to just go and get whatever you need done?
well, it's great because,
What are the scripts? Go. Say the words.
at Volkswagen, we believe everyone deserves a better car. And now, during the Sign Then Drive sales event, you're closer to yours than ever. Like the like the turbocharged
Cool.
Tiguan.
We got it. How did
Yeah.
that feel?
Yeah, that sounded very natural. Felt very natural to me.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Here is playback of some audio. That's what I do. I play audio. Here's some audio.
Well, just going to get tests done and whatnot and going to the doctor and them actually paying for it. And my part that I need to pay for is pretty small. So, well, it's great because at Volkswagen, we believe everyone deserves a better car. And now, during the Sign Then Drive sales event, you're closer to yours than ever.
What do you think?
Yeah, it sounds like me talking.
Yes. Now let's
That's the
compare
goal.
that. Yeah, let's compare that with the first read. Here's what that sounds like.
At Volkswagen, we believe everyone deserves a better car. And now, during the Sign Then Drive sales event, you're closer to yours than ever.
What's the difference?
That was Mandy voiceover person.
Great. Yep. Yeah. It's like, hey,
Hi.
let's punch the word better. Why? I
In
don't
some
know.
weird way,
It's the
better.
word to punch, and I don't know. And you can hear who's more believable, who sounds like they're having a better time, who's more effortless.
Yeah.
Yep.
Definitely real Mandy.
Great. Yep. And I'm just gonna compare this one more time for you and Jesse and everyone watching at home. Here is your most recent read.
Well, it's great because at Volkswagen, we believe everyone deserves a better car. And now, during the Sign Then Drive sales event, you're closer to yours than ever.
Versus.
At Volkswagen, we believe everyone deserves a better car. And now, during the Sign Then Drive sales event, you're closer to yours than ever.
Lots of, hey, let's hit better and go up on sales event. And it sounds like, I like that Mandy voiceover person.
Yes.
It sounds like someone trying to sell me something, which
like where did that better even come from? It's like better.
That's well, because you've read the book. It comes from the Mandy in the back of your mind who thinks that she knows how to say the words of the commercial the right way.
Yeah.
And she's ruining every audition she gets her grubby little
there
hands
you
on.
Go. Damn it, Mandy.
Yep. Awesome work.
Great job. Thanks so much, you guys. This was awesome. Is the echo back, by the way? I don't know if it's like
Yeah,
okay.
It's nowhere near as bad as it was before.
So like,
but it didn't as long as you're muting yourself during the thing, we're good.
So next time we're gonna record and then we will stop. We'll look and check and then we'll go. Thank you so much, Dave, for being here. Thank you so much, Mandy, for being a good sport and playing. It's awesome to watch you guys work, and I hope you guys at home got a lot of value out of this. I know I did. And if anybody again would like to work with Dave, check the links below. He teaches inside VoiceOver School, and you can also get a hold of him for private and group sessions on his website, davebeeson.com.
That's right.
He's awesome.
Great. Awesome. Thanks so much, guys, and thanks everybody for chilling with us, and we will catch you in the next one.
All right, take care, everybody.